Welcome to My Sales Styler. My name is Reed Puller, and today I will show you how you can use the voicemail drop feature into the My Sales Styler web application. So, for that, you need to first log in as an agent. So, you have to click here in the login button, and then you can simply put your agent login credential to log into your account. Now, once you're logged in, this is the landing page of your screen. So first, let me just show you how you can upload the voicemail recording into this MySales Styler portal. So for that, you need to simply click here in the My Message template. Now, in this drop-down menu, you can select the voicemail drop templates. Now, you need to record your voicemail and then you need to upload the MP3 or WAV file here so that by clicking here in the choose file, you can select and upload your recording. And let me just show it to you. So let's say I wanted to I wanted to add this particular recording into this portal. So I have selected that. Now you can give the name of your file and then you can simply click here to save. So now your voicemail is like uploaded into this portal. So and the best part is like there is no limit for uploading the voicemail template. So you can create different voicemail templates for your clients and you can upload that into this portal. So now your voicemail template is uploaded. Now you need to go here in the CRM option and then click here in my contacts and then contacts. Now, in the right hand side, below the auto dialer, you can able to see the voice greeting audio. Now below that, you can see the select template option. So if you click here, you can see all your voicemail recordings, which you will, upload into this portal. So you can able to see all your recordings here. So you can pick any of the recording and according to, your requirement and you can start playing that during the call. So let's assume a situation where you contacted a client and let's say they've not answered the call and it went to the voicemail drop option. So in that case, you simply need to click here in this play button and then the recording will start playing, and once you complete the recording, then you can simply hang up the call and dial another number. So how it will work, so you just need to simply click here. So let me just play it for you. I have selected this recording and let me just play it for you. Hi, this is Reed from Team My Sales Tyler. I know. So this is how you can record your whole voicemail recording in that particular call, and then you can simply hang up and dial another number. So this will save a lot of your time and energy to while doing your call. And yeah, this is all about the voicemail drop feature. Thank you.